Let's be totally honest for a second. If you search how to make money online, 9 out of 10 results are pure junk. It's either a scam, a confusing pyramid scheme, or some motivational speaker trying to sell you a fantasy. It might not be easy, but I promise you, making real money online is 100% possible. I've been down the rabbit hole, and today I'm cutting through all the noise. I'm giving you 10 actual legitimate ways to start earning. I'll show you fast ways to get quick cash and smarter ways to build up passive income while you sleep. If you're tired of the scams and ready for the truth, stick around. You definitely want to see my favorite low-effort idea, which is number 7. Let's do this. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. For the newcomers, I'm Moneyflow Mayceder, and we focus on smart, real-world ways to grow your money. We're diving into these 10 ideas right now. But a quick reality check first. Passive income never means zero work. It means you put in a ton of effort one time, and then the money keeps coming in automatically for months or years. I've broken these down into 2 buckets: active cash, for fast money, and long-term asset, for true passive potential. Number 1. Side hustle with a skill. Freelancing. The fastest way to get your first $100 online is freelancing. But listen, don't just offer data entry. That's a race to the bottom. Instead, offer a specific skill that people need and pay for. Are you great at short-form video editing? Can you write persuasive website copy? Are you a wizard with Photoshop or Excel? You're literally trading your time for money on platforms like Upwork or Fiverr. It's not passive, but the barrier to entry is zero. If you have a skill, you can literally get paid today. 2. Set it and forget it, selling digital products. This is one of my favorite paths to passive income, selling digital products. Here's the genius part. You create something once, maybe a workout planner you can print, a template for Notion, or cool Lightroom photo filters, and you can sell unlimited copies on Etsy, Gumroad, or your own site. The magic? Zero inventory and instant delivery. The only hard work is creating a quality product and figuring out how people will find it online. After that, it's truly passive. Number 3. Being the recommender. Affiliate marketing. Next up is the old reliable way to earn online. Affiliate marketing. This is super simple. You recommend a product, software, or course that you actually use and love. When someone clicks your unique link and makes a purchase, you get a commission. Please, I'm begging you, don't just spam links on social media. That annoys everyone. You need an audience that trusts you first, whether that's on a blog, an Instagram account, or right here on YouTube. Trust is what turns clicks into cash. Number 4. Selling t-shirts without inventory. Print on demand. POD. Number 4 is print on demand, which is a much lower risk way to sell physical goods. You create fun or niche designs for things like t-shirts, coffee mugs, or phone cases. You upload those designs to a site like Printful or Redbubble. When someone buys it, the company handles the printing and shipping for you. You only pay for the product after the customer pays you. The competition is tough, so to win here, you need great, unique designs or an uncanny ability to catch the latest trend. Hold on just a second. We're halfway there. If you're loving these practical, no-nonsense ideas, do me a huge favor. Tap that like button and hit subscribe. It helps me beat the algorithm and keep bringing you high-value videos. All right, back to building that wealth. 5. Trading time for audience. Content creation. You're watching the answer right now. Content creation. This means picking a topic you genuinely like, providing massive value for free, that's key, and building an audience. You monetize through YouTube AdSense, sponsored brand deals, or selling your own products later. Real talk. This is the toughest one to start. You will work for free for the first 6 to 12 months. But if you are consistent, the passive income potential from having a loyal audience is massive. Number 6. Getting paid for your brain, online courses. Coaching number 6 is all about packaging your knowledge. If your friends and family always ask you how to do something, whether it's cooking, training a pet, or using a specific software, you should be selling that advice. You record a series of video lessons teaching a skill and sell access to it on platforms like Teachable or Kajabi. You build it once, and you sell it over and over. But remember, you must truly be an expert and provide value. Number 7. The easiest $200. User testing. If you just need an easy extra $200 a month with almost zero effort, check out user testing. Sites like usertesting.com pay you to record your screen and voice while you test new websites or apps. All you do is talk through what you see, what's confusing, and what you like. You will absolutely not get rich, but it's 100% legitimate and super simple cash you can start earning this weekend. There are 8. Selling digital art, stock photography, videography. Do you have a decent camera, or even one of the newer iPhones? This one's for you. Stock photography and videography. You take high-quality professional photos or video clips and upload them to sites like Shutterstock or Adobe Stock. When a company needs generic footage for an advertisement, they pay to use yours. It's a huge numbers game. You need hundreds of uploads before you see big income. But it's great passive income if you're already a photographer. Number 9. True passive income. Investing number 9 is the only truly 100% passive item on this list, but you have to have money to start. This is high-yield savings and dividend investing. Please, stop letting your savings sit in a standard bank account earning nothing. Move it to a high-yield savings account to earn 4 to 5% risk-free interest. Or, invest in quality companies or ETFs that pay you quarterly dividends just for owning them. This is how you make your money work harder than you do. 10. Write a book on Amazon. KDP. Finally, number 10 is Amazon KDP, or Kindle Direct Publishing. You write a book. It could be a non-fiction guide, a fiction novel, or a simple notebook, journal, and upload it for free to Amazon. They handle the selling, the printing, and the shipping. The real money here is in writing genuinely helpful non-fiction or creating an entertaining fiction series. That little digital asset can generate royalties for years. Final thoughts, call to action. The internet is truly incredible because it lets you create your own opportunity. But please don't let the gurus rush you. Don't try all 10 things at once. Pick one method, just one, and commit to it for 6 solid months. Focus is the only thing that separates the earners from the dreamers. Which of these 10 ideas are you going to tackle first? Let me know your starting plan down in the comments. I love reading them. If this video helped you think differently about earning online, hit that like button and share it with a friend who needs an extra stream of cash. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one.